Good morning guys. So I went for a walk today because napaka-inviting ng color ng sunrise. Look at that. I had to see it closer. Meron siyang a touch of pink and a little bit of purple na hindi ko maintindihan. Basta it's so pretty. And nung pauwi na ako guys, nakakita ako ng 1K. Lapitan natin kung totoong 1K ito guys. Yan, 1K nga siya guys. But since I'm very demure, very cutesy, very mindful, and very classy, hindi natin kukunin yung 1K. Sa kanila na yung 1K guys. Charot. Anyway, ito yung aking nadadaanan every time na nagwo-walking ako. Napakaganda ng sunrise, nakaka-energize. Actually, maraming nagwo-walking dito, especially kapag hindi sila tinatamad. Ako kasi, simula nung may klase na, minsan na lang ako nagwo-walking. Naubusan kasi ako ng oras. Kailangan ko mag-open ng maaga sa aking tindahan. So, that's all for today. Babush!